That's way too much.
Not too much, not too much.
Huh?
Not too much.
I broke it.
It's a video.
Oh. Mean. Why would you do that? Can I have another light? Give me a light, Kimi.
Alright, so we cut out some templates for the lights on our CNC for accuracy. And this is just the top ones. We made some angled ones for the sides, and we're going to cut that out with a flush trim bit, similarly to how we did the windows.
What is that, Kimi?
What is this?
What is it? Yeah.
It's a flush trim bit.
Okay.
Because we had such good success on cutting out the windows and then flushing them out with this other flush trim bit, we're going to cut out our rear tail lights with a template using another flush trim bit. So the difference is one has the bearing on top, one has the bearing on the bottom. I actually think it's reversed. I think they consider this the top and this the bottom, but regardless, two different bearing styles.
We need to adjust the depth of the flush trim bit, and then we'll be ready.
Well, I don't actually need a step ladder to reach this. I'd rather not have chips of aluminum flying at my face. So I'm going to get above it. So that way gravity can take it away from me.
It looks really good, actually. This is gonna look super fancy. Here, as soon as we got this the light in, our camera died. So we're using a phone now. Huh? We're using a phone now. Okay. So it fits. There's a light bulb in there.
There is a light bulb in there. Alright, so we got our cameras in. We went with this, it's called a E-Raptor camera system. It came with 4 cameras. It came with 2 of these normal size and then 2 for side mounting. It's advertised as 1 for the back, 1 for the front, and then 1 for each side. I don't need 1 in the front on this system, so I'm going to put 2 in the back and 2 on each side, and then I'll get a dash cam to sit right on the windshield to get to the front. So we're putting 2 in the back because we have a trailer hitch, and I want 1 to be permanently pointing out back that I can use as like a rear view mirror, and then 1 pointing right at the trailer hitch so I can see if I'm going to hit something when I back up. And now we just need to get those installed. It's pretty simple wiring. It looks like there's a whole lot going on here, but it's not. There's not a whole lot here. You just have, well, I've got this set up for temporary. We've got a ground is black. The positive is fused. We're going to switch out that fuse because we don't have any of that fuse on this truck at all. And then if you if you send any of these to positive, it will change the image on the screen to just that camera. So I'll show you that just real quick. Hook this up in there. And then if I send the blue one to positive, it's just channel 1. Where's channel 1? Right here. This one? This one. Nope. It's this one. Nope. It's this one. Okay. This one right here. Let's see if I send green to positive. Which one is it? This one. This one. If I can hold it. There it is. So we'll set up one for when we put it in reverse to turn that one on for the full screen, and maybe left and right turn signal. I don't know. We'll figure that out here in a little bit. Yeah, let's go get it set up. not big enough. Hole's not big enough. Well, that can go on the blooper reel.
This is what the diagram, or it's what we plan the lights to look like.